Welcome to the April 2021 South Florida International Film Festival Awards Show. We are the world-famous monthly film festival for one-minute short films and short movie scripts. During this month, we celebrate the actors and actresses, the artists and filmmakers who have created some very entertaining films, movies, scripts, and screenplays. For the month of April 2021, we have voted for and selected the winners to receive awards in the following categories: I Don't Fit Any Box, Mixed Race, Biracial, Multiracial, Experimental, Student, 18 and over, Black or African, Drama, Latin or Hispanic, Young Adult. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's reveal the names of the award-winning filmmakers and screenwriters. The winner for Best Picture, in the category of I Don't Fit Any Box, is The Color of Life. The winner for Best Picture, in the category of Mixed Race, Biracial, Multiracial, is House Troll Halloween.
My name is Errol. I'm what is known as a house troll. I do all the things that house trolls do, like peeking through windows, hiding remote controls, and dancing in the pale moonlight. I love Halloween, but this year things seem different. I mean, it's almost October 31st, and there are no Halloween decorations up. I've tried to leave hints, in good faith, but it seems so different. But I am adaptable. I can make the best out of any situation. And this year, I think things will be different. I'm gonna make this one a night to remember.
The winner for Best Picture, in the category of Experimental, is Snow Job.
I know. It got dark, didn't it? I didn't mean it to. It started light, and then it didn't start light. It never starts light. It starts, sort of true. No, it starts real, and then it gets more true, which makes it more dark, I think. And then it makes it funny. Like I laugh at the darkness. It doesn't scare me. Oh, well, maybe it does scare me a little. So I back off from it some, and that makes me laugh because I've already said it. Like you can't take it back. I just can't take it back.
The winner for Best Picture, in the category of Student, 18 and over, is Fat Swan. The winner for Best Picture, in the category of Black or African, is The Sweetest Girl. The winner for Best Adapted Screenplay, in the category of Drama, is Jolly Bird. The winner for Best Original Screenplay, in the category of Latin or Hispanic, is Success N2 Life. The winner for Best Original Screenplay, in the category of Young Adult, is Bad Love Strikes. And that brings us to the end of April 2021's South Florida International Film Festival award show. Please make sure to reach out to and congratulate all of our winners. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you at our award show next month, where you will be entertained by more of the best people, the best movies, and the best screenwriters in the arts and entertainment world. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share this award show video with everyone you know. If you would like to compete in our next award show, please visit us. Submit your film, or submit your TV movie script, and change your life, and entertain the world. Have a wonderful evening and good night.